If your Vermeer Wood Chipper powered by Cummins 3.3 diesel pushes heavy white smoke, I'm going to show you where to locate the issue, what causing that, and how to fix it. It's pretty simple. Okay, let's get started. Little bit of the history how this problem started. Chipper was pushing heavy smoke at the startup, then it started progressing, especially under the load. Occasionally it started pushing heavy smoke, like you can see now, and then it started getting worse and worse. Yeah, and why it's happening is because diesel fuel doesn't combust properly. This is not coolant or oil burning. This is fuel supply problem. It has been over a year after I got this chipper fixed. No more smoke whatsoever, runs like a clock. Yeah, let's dive in. I will show you. Locate a fuel supply line from the tank to the filter water separator, and there's another one coming down to the injection pump. As you can see, there is two banjo bolts fittings. Let's take inlet one, which is into the filter, and remove the bolt. And as you can see, inside the bolt there's a screen. There's a plastic screen. It's always getting clogged up, and that's why you don't have that good fuel supply. It doesn't run properly and it slows down. This is actually me second time cleaning this screen, and first time my camera unfortunately was off, but this is second time filming again and showing how much debris and dirt can get into that screen and restrict the fuel flow. You just go simply clean that screen with a compressor, wash it with a brake clean, blow it out, and that will take care of that problem. That's what I'm going to do right now. Very easy. I seen people start replacing so many parts trying to take care of that heavy white smoke, and never help. Yeah, that's probably your problem. And what I do, I checked and cleaned banjo bolt plastic screen. Simple that. If it's helpful, thumbs up. And yeah, if you have any questions, comments, critics, and if you have any same issues, let me know down in the comment section below. I might be able to help you. Yeah, put everything back together, make sure there's no leaks, and I will tell you there's no problem with this particular chipper. Runs good. And yeah, let's fire it up, and yeah, starts easy right up, and no more pushing white smoke. I have more chipper videos on my channel. I will put them down in the description below. Check them out. Thank you so much guys for your time watching this video, and yeah, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Bye bye.